This is USMLE QA, USMLE material presented in a question and answer format structured similar to the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book.
Question: What is Pompe disease? Answer: Pompe disease is a medical condition characterized by cardiomyopathy, hypotonia, exercise intolerance, enlarged tongue, and systemic findings that lead to early death. Question: What are the findings associated with Pompe disease? Answer: The findings associated with Pompe disease are cardiomyopathy, hypotonia, exercise intolerance, enlarged tongue, and systemic findings that lead to early death. Question: What is the deficient enzyme in Pompe disease? Answer: The deficient enzyme in Pompe disease is lysosomal acid aminase 1, 4-glucosidase with aminase 1, 6-glucosidase activity. Question: What is the significance of the Pompe trashes the pump note? Answer: The Pompe trashes the pump note is a reminder that Pompe disease affects the heart, liver, and muscle, and that the first and fourth letters of the word Pompe can represent the heart. Question: What are the effects of the deficient enzyme in Pompe disease? Answer: The deficient enzyme in Pompe disease leads to the accumulation of complex sugars in the cells, causing damage to various organs and tissues, especially the heart, liver, and muscle. Question: What is the main function of lysosomal acid aminase 1, 4-glucosidase? Answer: The main function of lysosomal acid aminase 1, 4-glucosidase is to break down complex sugars in the cells, preventing their accumulation and resulting damage to the cells and organs. Question: How is Pompe disease different from other types of Pompe disease? Answer: Pompe disease refers to a specific type of Pompe disease that presents with symptoms such as cardiomyopathy, hypotonia, exercise intolerance, enlarged tongue, and systemic findings that lead to early death. Other types of Pompe disease may present with different symptoms or symptoms to a lesser or greater degree. Question: What are the common symptoms of Pompe disease? Answer: The common symptoms of Pompe disease include cardiomyopathy, hypotonia, exercise intolerance, enlarged tongue, and systemic findings. Question: How does Pompe disease lead to early death? Answer: Pompe disease leads to early death due to the accumulation of complex sugars in the cells, causing damage to various organs and tissues, especially the heart. The heart muscle becomes weak and is unable to pump blood effectively, leading to heart failure and death. Question: What is the treatment for Pompe disease? Answer: Currently, there is no cure for Pompe disease, but enzyme replacement therapy is available to help manage the symptoms and slow down the progression of the disease. Other treatments, such as physical therapy, may also be recommended to help improve quality of life. Question: How can Pompe disease be prevented? Answer: Pompe disease is an inherited genetic disorder, so it cannot be prevented. Early diagnosis and treatment, however, can help manage the symptoms and slow down the progression of the disease.
Thank you for watching our Q&A format video. We hope this helped you learn, review, and retain knowledge needed for the USMLEs. For more information on this topic, check out the link in the description. Now, if you want to take your USMLE prep to the next level, be sure to check out all our courses, which are structured to follow along with the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book. You can find us at usmleqa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.